Hey there, and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to create a mailing list in Mailchimp, step by step. If you're new to email marketing, this is one of the most important things to learn. By the end of this video, you'll not only have your mailing list set up, but you'll also have a sign-up form embedded on your website so you can start collecting subscribers automatically. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and head over to Mailchimp, then log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can quickly sign up for free and follow along. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand sidebar and find the Audience tab. Go ahead and click on it. In Mailchimp, your audience is basically your mailing list. This is where all your subscribers are stored, managed, and organized. After clicking Audience, you'll land on the Audience dashboard. This page gives you an overview of your contacts, including how many subscribers you have and some basic stats. Now, to start building your mailing list, look for the Manage Audience drop-down menu. Click on it, and from the options that appear, select Sign-up Forms. Mailchimp offers a few different types of forms, but for most websites, the best option is the embedded form. This allows you to place the form directly on your website wherever you want. So go ahead and click Create New Form, then choose Embedded Form. Next, you'll be asked to give your form a name. This name is just for your own reference, so you can choose something simple like Homepage Signup or Newsletter Form. Once you've named it, click Continue to move into the form builder. Now you're in the customization stage. Here, you'll choose what information you want to collect from your subscribers. You'll usually see options like email address, first name, last name, and sometimes more fields like phone number or birthday. At minimum, you should always include the email address field. You can also add first name if you want to personalize your emails later, like greeting subscribers by name. Just be careful not to add too many fields, especially at the beginning. The more information you ask for, the less likely people are to complete the form. Keeping it simple usually leads to better signups. Once you've selected your fields, click Continue. Now comes the part where you connect your form to your website. Mailchimp will generate a piece of HTML code for your embedded form. This code might look a bit technical, but don't worry, you don't need to edit it. Simply click to copy the code. Next, go to your website editor. Find the page where you want your sign-up form to appear. This could be your home page, a blog post, or a dedicated sign-up page. In your editor, add an HTML block or custom code section and paste the Mailchimp code there. Once you've pasted the code, save or publish your page. And just like that, your sign-up form is live. Now, whenever someone visits your site and fills out the form, they'll automatically be added to your Mailchimp audience. No manual work required. This is a powerful way to grow your mailing list and build a direct connection with your audience over time. And that's it. You've successfully created a mailing list and connected it to a sign-up form in Mailchimp. Now, let's quickly summarize the steps. First, log into Mailchimp and go to the Audience section. Next, open the Manage Audience menu and select Sign-up Forms. Choose to create a new form and select the Embedded Form option. Give your form a name and continue to the builder. Select the fields you want to collect from subscribers, copy the generated HTML code, paste the code into your website using an HTML block. Finally, publish your page and start collecting subscribers. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.